Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicare benefits. Applying for Medicare is a straightforward process when you know the steps. We'll cover who is eligible, what documents you'll need, and the best time to apply. This guide will help you navigate the application with ease, ensuring you receive your benefits promptly. Let's get started on securing your healthcare coverage. Eligibility for Medicare typically begins when you turn 65. However, some individuals may qualify earlier due to specific disabilities or conditions. It's crucial to understand your initial enrollment period, which is a 7-month window around your 65th birthday. Enrolling during this time helps avoid potential late enrollment penalties for Part B. Knowing your eligibility date is key. When applying, have your Social Security number and birth certificate ready. The easiest way to apply is online through the Social Security Administration website, which takes about 10 minutes. Alternatively, you can call their toll-free number or visit a local Social Security office for assistance. Choose the method most convenient for you to complete your application efficiently. After submitting your application, you'll receive your official Medicare card in the mail. It's important to review this card carefully to ensure all information is correct. Once you have your card, you can explore additional coverage options, such as Medicare Advantage, known as Part C, or prescription drug plans, Part D. These choices can enhance your healthcare benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.